The Microsoft Teams integration allows you to send custom messages to your channels directly from your Glide app. To start using the integration, you first need to add it to your project. In Glide, navigate to the Settings area, click the Integrations tab, and then select Microsoft Teams. Then Add to App. Next, you need to sign into your Microsoft account to give Glide access. And once you've signed in, you'll need to enter the name of the team that you want to send messages to in the team name field. The Microsoft Teams integration has only one feature, the Send Message to Channel action. This can be added to a component that supports actions, such as a button, added after a form is submitted, or added to an action sequence in the action editor. The configuration for this action includes just two options, the channel, which is the channel that you want the message to be sent to, and then the message itself. These can be custom values that you put in here, which will be the same each time, or they can be dynamic values connected to your data. You can even create a more dynamic message by first creating a template column in the data editor, and then setting that column as your message. If you want to learn more about integrations in Glide, check out our introduction over at glideapps.com/learn.